Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about Akash Network and the native token AKT. If you like the content, don't forget to subscribe. It helps a lot this channel to grow. You can give this video a thumbs up and you can leave a comment into the comment section below. So before starting, I must say that I'm not a financial advisor, and if you want to invest your money, you should do a proper research. That is very important. All these videos and all the content from this channel are made just for entertainment, and that's all. Okay, so let's get started. Today it is 26 March 2024 and AKT it is valued at 5.36 US dollars. Let's look a little bit on market cap. It is situated on 87 position here on CoinMarketCap, and the volume in the last 24 hours was quite small, a little over 14 million US dollars, but in the last 24 hours increased by more than 47%, and that tells us something that maybe this token is preparing to have another bullish movement. So we will wait and see what will happen. Let's look also on the all-time high. It was in 2021 in April, about $8. And what this project do, let's see here on CoinMarketCap. Akash Network is a super cloud spearheading a paradigm shift in cloud computing, disrupting conventional cloud services and pioneering a revolution in access to essential cloud resources. Leveraging the power of blockchain technology, Akash Network has developed an open-source decentralized marketplace for cloud computing, offering an unprecedented level of speed, efficiency, and affordability. This innovation is set to transform the way users perceive and utilize cloud services. That sounds very promising about what they say here. Now let's go to TradingView, and here we have Akash Network paired with Tether at 1 day, and the chart it is from Gate.io, and also the chart it is set on logarithmic to have a better view on the price action in the past. So I prepared the 20 and 50 simple moving averages, and before analyzing by those two SMAs, let's look a little bit on the price action in the past. So after bear market, we see that we have some impressive volatility, and by volatility let's see what that means. The price increased 257% in 51 days. After that dropped, let's see, about 62% in 80 days, and after that the price pumped, let's see, 248% in 21 days. We have another pump here at about 207% in 16 days, and the price after that started to pump. From Bitcoin's movement that started to increase massively since October 2023, this token had an increase at about 762% in 152 days. That's about the average of altcoins that I've measured by now. But let's look also on the big picture from this December till this top. We have at about 3,500% in 445 days overall. So I believe that is very impressive. Let's look at more recent price action, and it seems that from March, so this month, we are in some sort of a channel. The price for now didn't drop more than $5. We have this wick that dropped as low as $4.82, but after that we can see clearly that the price maintained above $5. So we can notice also that the price played with this 20 SMA here on 5th and 6th March 2024, took it as a support, bounced on this level, tested again here on 19 March, went below, and tested as a resistance this time, and today the price dropped below this 20 SMA. If the price will drop further, I believe that the next support it will be 50 SMA, that currently it is at $4.61. It is not so big difference between the actual price and the 50 SMA, but I believe that 50 SMA will do the trick, and probably will hold the price like it hold here in February 2024, here in January this year, last year also in November, and that's it, because from here Bitcoin started to pump aggressively upwards. So I believe that we are sitting very well with this price action by now. Let's look also on weekly to see what is happening here, and we have those 20 and 50 weekly SMAs. I told you in the past that I personally consider the 20 simple moving average on weekly an important indicator that tells us if the price movement it is bullish or bearish. And for now the price action it is very bullish. The 20 SMA it is at 3.32, and the actual price it is 5.43. So we are well above this level. And I believe if Bitcoin will maintain his level above 68 or 69k, the price at least will maintain this level. But after a period when the Bitcoin dominance will start to decrease, majority of the altcoins, including I believe this one, will start to pump aggressively. But we will wait and see if we will have an altcoin season like we had in 2021. Okay, let's look also on other indicators, and for this we will use RSI, relative strength index, and MACD, moving average convergence divergence. And on weekly they are both bullish. RSI it is in overbought, MACD it is bullish. Last two bars are a little bearish, but the moving averages are still upwards, and the price looks very bullish. By not looking also on those two indicators, we are telling that the price movement it is very bullish. The indicators confirms our chart. Let's look also on daily, and on daily MACD it is bearish, it is in downtrend, and the RSI it also bearish. This downtrend movement from those two indicators started from 9 or 10 March, when I told you that the price kept above $5 level. As long as actual price maintains above $5, I believe that we are good, despite the fact that indicators are looking bearish. Okay, let's look also on monthly, and the price action it is recently from March 2021, so we don't have enough data for those two indicators. And as you can see here, the RSI it is in overbought, and MACD looks bullish, but we don't know 100% if the data it is accurate, because it isn't enough. Let's look also on 12 months for curiosity, and as you can see, this candle from 2023 looks very bullish, and from 2024, from 1st January till now 26 March 2024, the price looks very good. And if we measure those two, we have that increase that I made earlier at about 3,500%, and that it is the uptrend that we saw earlier. Okay, let's go back to weekly, and as I told you guys, Bitcoin movement has an impact on all altcoins, like you well know. And let's look for example on total tree status, that is the total market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, and looks like it is in uptrend. So let's look also on total tree minus the two major stable coins, USDT minus USDC, and the chart looks similarly, but the value it is smaller. There we had about 750 billion US dollars, and right now it is 614 billion dollars. That shows us almost nothing. But if we divide this by Bitcoin, that shows us some status of the total tree reported to the Bitcoin. So if the chart will go upwards, the total tree market cap, excluding Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the first two major stablecoins, it will be upwards. So that means more capital will enter in the altcoin market. And for now, it seems that this price stays on this channel that I drawn a few weeks ago. On weekly, it looks a little bullish. Let's put some indicators, RSI and MACD. And those two aren't showing us too much. RSI, it is in uptrend since June 2023, that it is a good sign. MACD moving averages are in some sort of an uptrend, but we don't have important price movement upwards or downwards to try to predict what could happen in the near future. But we will wait and see what will happen. And also we can look on CoinMarketCap on Bitcoin's dominance. Today it is 52.2%. Yesterday it was 52%. A few days ago it was less than 52%. So Bitcoin dominance in the last days, it is in uptrend. The fear and greed index, it is at extreme greed. That's because Bitcoin started to pump. Yesterday minimum was about 66.4k and increased at about 70.8, very close to 71k. I didn't follow all day the price, but from what I saw yesterday, those are the numbers. And we can see here that today the global crypto market cap, it is 2.64 trillions, a decrease by 1.23% over the last day. Yesterday global crypto market cap was in an uptrend, was I can't remember exactly, about 5 or 6%, and that was huge. That was mainly because also Bitcoin started to pump. Today Bitcoin, it is at about 70.2k. Okay, why I insisted with this details about Bitcoin, about total tree, about Bitcoin dominance, because all of these have an important impact on crypto space. Also stock market has an impact on crypto space. Right now stock market, Nasdaq, it is on downtrend on daily. S&P 500 also, it is in downtrend. So we have small correction, but if overall it will keep the uptrend, also the Bitcoin can keep the uptrend. Bitcoin halving, it is in 25 days. We don't know for sure if we will have a dump, because Bitcoin was bullish for more than a year. We didn't have massive correction of price, and that personally gives me a little worry, but probably I'm wrong, and we will see what will happen. Okay, thank you guys for joining me here today. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed this video. It helps a lot this channel, and till next time, be well and see you soon.